Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lecture we have seen some problems on time and distance. In this video also we are going to see few more problems which were asked in previous years. So let us start with example number 4. A man in a train notices that he can count 21 poles in 1 minute. If they are 50 meters apart, the speed of train is, so speed is total distance by time. Here we are going to calculate what is the total distance traveled by train within that 1 minute. Okay, data is given that distance between two poles is 50 meters and a person counted 21 poles in 1 minute. So if we observe properly, let us consider three poles. Pole 1 is starting point of the person and he covered three poles. So suppose if they are apart 10 meters, then what is the total distance? Pole 1 to 2 110 meters, 2 to 3 another 10 meters, total 20 meters it is. And suppose if there are 5, each 5 meter apart. So if a person traveling from pole number 1 to pole number 5, so how much distance he covered? 5 meters, 2, 3 and 4, total 20 meters he covered. So what we can conclude from this, if one pole is the starting point and last pole is the ending point, the total distance covered is, if there are n number of poles, total distance covered is n minus 1 into distance between two poles. Okay, this is our conclusion. Okay, in this problem it is very useful. So most of the people make mistake at this particular point. They'll simply calculate that there are 21 poles and each is 50 meters apart. Therefore 21 into 50, they will end up with wrong answer. Okay, be careful. The total distance is nothing but n minus 1, 20 into 50 meters each. That is there is 50 meters gap between one pole and another pole. So total distance D equal to 20 into 50, nothing but 1000 meters. The train has traveled 1000 meters in that particular minute. Okay, so what is the speed? Speed is nothing but total distance by time, that is 1000 meters by time is 1 minute, nothing but 1 kilometer per 1 minute. If it travels 1 kilometer per 1 minute, how many kilometers it can travel in 60 minutes? In 60 minutes it can travel 60 kilometer. Okay, so what will be the speed in kilometer per hour? Speed in kilometer per hour is 60 kilometer per hour. Otherwise you can replace this 1 minute with 1 by 60 hours. 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 60 hours. So if we replace this 1 minute here, so what is the speed of train is 1 kilometer by 1 by 60 hour, which is nothing but, if this 60 will go upside and answer will be 60 kilometer per hour. If it is traveling with 60 kilometer per hour and he can count 21 poles. Okay, that is the answer. So let us move to the question number 5. Ramesh covers a distance by bike at 35 km per hour and he returns back to starting point by bicycle at 25 km per hour. Find the average speed. Average speed is nothing but total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled by total time taken. So we need to calculate total distance and total time taken. So let us consider he covered a distance of x kilometer with a speed of 35 km per hour and he returned back. So he traveled x kilometer and he returned back and distance is same. So total distance traveled is nothing but 2x. This will be very useful to get end answer. And what is the total time? Total time is sum of time taken to go that particular destination and time taken to come back. Time taken to go and time taken to return. Time taken to go is nothing but t go equal to distance x by what is the speed? 35 km per hour. And the time taken to return is nothing but x by how much? 25 km per hour. By using these two, the average speed we can calculate that average speed is nothing but total distance traveled by total time taken. Total time. What is the total time? T go and T return is the total time. Total distance is nothing but to and fro, that is 2x. X is our assumption. So 2x by 35 plus how much? X by 25. So 2x by 25x plus 35x by 25 into 35. If we take this to numerator, 2x into 25 into 35 by 25 plus 35 into x. So x gets cancelled. So 50 into 35 by how much? 35 plus that is 60. Okay. So 5 tens are 5 12s are. So 350 by 12. Approximately how much? Average speed is nothing but approximately 29 km per hour. You can calculate exactly if calculator is available. Okay. Answer is approximately 29 km per hour. Next.